Hello, this is Usha Pandit, your Mindsprings English teacher. So very often I answer questions on Quora, and sometimes you get some really nice questions. So the one that I am going to read to you today was, what words can replace the word spoilt? Okay. So as an English teacher, I had fun. I sat down and decided to make a list. I'm sharing it with you because so many people ask me for this again and again and again. So I thought I should share it with you. So I said it depends on what you're calling spoilt. Context and usage is the complication. That means where are you using it and in what situation. You cannot simply take the synonyms of spoilt, that is, you go to a thesaurus and read it up and replace it as a word, random word. So you just can't take one spoilt and put it in the place of another. So let's see how we do it. You could call a spoilt child badly behaved, naughty, mollycoddled, or overly pampered or overly indulged. All these words you can use on a child who has been spoilt. This is what it means. Material spoilt have different terms. So furniture is spoilt, it is broken. Ceramics are spoilt, it is chipped. Cloth is spoilt, it is torn. Stained, tattered, bedraggled. Paint is spoilt, it is peeled. Metal is spoilt, it is corroded. Glass is spoilt, it is cracked. Paper is spoilt, it is ripped. Rock is spoilt, it is eroded. Plastic is spoilt, it is singed. Marble is spoilt, it is pitted. A spoilt fruit would be rotten or gone or overripe or even lacerated, like those strawberries, or oozy. All this you can use on fruit. Milk that is spoilt is addled, curdled, turned, or off. All these words you can use. Oil that is spoilt is rank or rancid. Dough or batter that is spoilt is fermented or sour. Rotting flesh is putrid. An engine or machine that is spoilt is damaged. A face that is spoilt is blemished, scarred, or disfigured. A weave that is spoilt is flawed. A photograph that is spoilt is scribbled on or defaced. Spoilt eyesight is impaired. A prospect or reputation that is spoilt is marred. A body part that is spoilt is injured. A monument or a work or landscape that is spoilt is destroyed, wrecked, or ruined. A temple that is spoilt is defiled or desecrated. A situation that is spoilt is contaminated. A solution that is spoilt is contaminated. Air is polluted, fouled. Water is rendered impure. An economy that is spoilt is crippled. The law and order compromised. A person corrupted. A nation is spoilt. That is spoilt is divided. Character that is spoilt is tainted. A destiny that is spoilt is blighted. So just look at the number of words that we have for spoilt that can only be used for certain situations. You cannot interchange them and use them. Wasn't that fantastic? But English is a horrendous language. Okay? Imagine learning all this, but if you know it, you can use it very powerfully. So play this video many times, write it down, all that I said, and use it. Good luck.